All right, let's see what Tim's up to. He's messing around with this old truck. What are you doing, Tim?
Well, we're gonna get this running here, Brian.
No way, this thing don't run.
Well, we gotta try it. It's been sitting here for 36 years.
All right. It's amazing, 36 years and the tire still got air.
Brian, they're good quality.
Where did you get this truck?
Bought it from some weird guy.
Some weirdo?
Yeah, it's a weird guy.
Is it that weird guy?
No, what?
Oh, that's getting comfy on your bed?
What?
Oh, he looks sick.
You know, he's all right, Brian.
Where'd you find this homeless guy?
Well, we picked him up on the way in the Broham.
Oh, you picked him up in the Broham? Come on, there's no way this thing runs. Tim, there's got to be gas in his tank still, right?
Now, what you gotta do is you gotta prime it.
Okay, let's see.
You don't want to get everywhere. Who's shaking the thing?
Don't, you're going to knock the hood off. The hood's going to collapse on your head.
No. I'm spilling it everywhere.
Well, it's a big motor.
Well, we'll consider it pumped.
Yeah.
That's good enough right there.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Hold on a minute.
Do you want to throw some more gas in the carburetor?
It needs a little extra, but hang on a minute.
Okay. What year is this truck, Tim?
1993.
93? Silverado?
G10.
G10. Oh, and this has the, this is what, 4.8 liter LS motor?
This is the high output.
305?
Very high output. So high it's off the charts.
And, okay, so you got your gas tank in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if this thing runs. Give it a shot, Tim.
Okay,
Make
here we
sure it's in gear so it hits your truck.
Okay. Neutral.
It does run. Hey, is this thing a diesel?
Don't stop it. It's quiet as can be.
Watch your gas can.
There's no ticking.
Yeah, sounds good.
Now you want to see it move.
Yeah.
Watch out. Watch out if you want to see it move.
Pete's directing traffic. Wow. It does roll. Wow. Yeah. Should I move this Jiffy Pop popcorn? Move the popcorn. Okay. He forgot about the gas on the hood. Wow, that thing goes good. Oh, he must have it in 4 low, Pete. There's reverse. Wow, that thing is nice. He picked this thing up for like 50 bucks from some farmer. Wow, it's not bad. Sounds like something's grinding.
Sounds horrible.
Yeah, but don't tell him. Tell him it sounds good. Tim, that thing sounds good.
Thing drives mint, dude.
Yeah, that is really nice.
It does.
Yeah, sounds good, huh, Pete?
What's the other noise?
Doesn't it look good right there?
It does, it looks good.
What's the...
The people from Facebook are going to be really impressed.
They're gonna love it.
You got this guy. You got this guy. And I don't know. You got this guy.
And that's
What was that?
puke.
All right, Tim, you did good.
Thank you.
Truck puke.